Question 6. Dave goes into a cafe and buys 2 cups of coffee and a piece of cake. Each cup of coffee costs £2.75. The cake costs £2.90. Dave pays with a £10 note and thinks he will get more than £1.50 in charges. Dave correct. You must show how you get your answer. So there are 3 marks for this question. If I simply put yes he is correct or no he isn't with no workings, I don't get any marks, even though one of those answers would be correct, because they're not going to give you 3 marks based on what is essentially a 50-50 guess. In order to get the first mark, and there's quite a few different ways of getting the first mark, I simply need to do something that gets me closer to the answer. So if each cup of coffee is £2.75, I work out 2 lots of £2.75. Writing the sum down is what gets you the mark, so always write the sum down. Even if you subsequently put the wrong answer down, you'd still get the mark for the process. Make sure you use your calculator whenever you can. And £2.75 times 2 is £5.50. And I have my first mark. My second mark is for showing all of the workings that would lead me to the correct answer. So the coffee is £5.50, and he's also bought a piece of cake which is £2.90, and that would come to £8.40. Then if I pay with a £10 note and you take away £8.40, I would get £1.60 change. As soon as I write £10 take £8.40, I would have my second mark, because I've done all the calculations I need to answer the question correctly. However, I still need to make sure I answer the question. He thinks he will get more than £1.50 in change, and I have to put Dave is correct. And I have my third mark and all my workings.